Guys, I don't know about you, but I love Honda power equipment. I have a snowblower, I have many power washers, I have a couple lawnmowers here. Behind me, I have a Honda Pilot. These are less than 1 year old, and these are the HRX 217s. Honda came out and said that, hey, we're discontinuing our mowers, and everyone started freaking out because no one makes a better mower in the industry than Honda. But one of the problems that Honda is doing is Honda was being pressed by the EPA and by some of the regulations that were coming out of California, and they were demanding that Honda use a certain amount of recycled materials in their mowers. Both of my mowers are leaking oil under here, okay? This is the valve cover, okay? And both this mower and this mower are leaking. This one is maybe 2 months old. This one is like 6 months old. Where's it coming from? Okay, you don't have a regular gasket on here. What you have is a gasket that's made of silicone, but they've used a cheap silicone. And so as your mower gets hot, that silicone breaks, and then eventually after 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, a year, it starts to leak oil. What you need to do, and I'm going to do it, is pull this off, get all the old gasket silicone off of there, use a much better silicone, and the problem is fixed. This mower is flawless. Again, when we look at this, this is made out of recycled material. Over and over again, where people are having problems with this, people are having to take this off, this piece right here, and they're breaking the clips. The reason they're breaking the clips is because it's made of recycled materials. It's really brittle. And so, yes, it is a wonderful mower. And if you can get one, man, you got to grab one. This one right here was $1,200, and I found it for $500 at Home Depot. And the reason they're doing that is they're getting rid of them. There is problems with them, but it's not a huge problem that you can't fix. Let me show you how to fix it, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, brand new GCV 200 Honda HRX 217, and it is leaking oil. I'm going to show you how you can fix this for about $8. I called Home Depot because, again, it's less than 6 months old, and said, hey, this is what's going on. It's leaking underneath this cap here. And they said, well, we're really backlogged. You know, it's summer now, and so it's going to take us a little bit of time. We can get it back to you in about 45 days. I was like, let me talk to my lawn and see if my lawn, you know, if I can negotiate with my lawn not to grow for 45 days. Okay, so here's what you do. The first thing you want to do is this comes off, okay? There's these clips, okay? So you have to reach under here and you have to pull this way. 1, 2, and you can see the little indentation here where my thumb is, okay? And you gotta be very strategic, okay? Now, on this clip, there's a screw. So you have to put this, take the screw out first. I'm going backwards because I thought, you know, someone else could probably use this information. You have to take the screw out first, and then you have to push inward. You have to push that way, and then you kind of lift this up. That's going to come off, okay? This right here is just 4 bolts, okay? Now, some people said, oh, man, this thing is going to bend. You got to be careful. Put a screwdriver in here. Mine just came right on off, and let me show you what the problem is. Look at the silicone, okay? They are using a silicone at Honda that degrades when oil hits it, because you can see right in this corner that all of the silicone is gone. I mean, this is stupid how they did this. This is literally ludicrous. And look at this. Normally, this should be all covered in silicone, okay? There's nothing here. So all I have to do is clean this up, get all the oil out of there, clean that up over there, you know what I'm saying? Get all of this old silicone off, okay? And then I'm gonna re-silicone it. Now, when I re-silicone it, I'm gonna put some around here. Where my thumb is right here, I'm putting it all around. I'm gonna go all around the eyelets, all the way, and I'm gonna go a little bit much heavier. Look at this right here, over here. There is nothing there. That's why it's leaking. There's nothing wrong with my mower besides it leaks oil. And I thought, this is so crazy. This is a Honda. This is what Honda's turned into. All right, guys, here's where we are. I went over this again, got it really clean. This was such a hassle. I took a straight razor. You can see that there is a groove right through here all the way around. And I think they think that you just need to stay in the groove, and that's probably what Honda's doing. If you see it, it goes all the way around. But again, in the corners here, I'm gonna go around there, and I'm gonna go around the holes. That way, you know, because mine was leaking here and over here. And so they should have put a groove all the way around it, but they did not. And I'm seeing a little stuff right there in that groove, that trench. So I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit more, put some black stuff on it, shove it on there. I'll show you what it looks like before I put it on. Guys, I've waited about 10 minutes. It's really, really tacky now. And so I'm gonna very carefully put this back on there. All right, guys, and there she goes. I had to take this filter off right here. There was no way to negotiate it on there correctly. You don't wanna get that silicone on the valves. That wouldn't be good. So it worked. I'm hoping she holds. There's plenty on there. I probably put too much. You might want to put less. That stuff can hold like there's no tomorrow. So I'm going to give it a little bit of time to set and to cure, and then I'll put some oil in it, start it up, and I think I'm going to be good. All right, thanks guys. I hope this helped you out. Guys, I'll tell you what, that worked perfectly. I ran the mower, no problems. When you put the gasket silicone on there, you have to read the directions. I'm gonna put the 2 best leading gasket silicone links in my description for Amazon. So if you wanna go there, there's 2 different ones that you can use. It's raining right now, so I'm glad I finished it. When you put the silicone on there, you have to wait about an hour before you put it against the mower. And then you can tighten it down, okay? But you have to wait an hour. Now, actually, before I put oil back in it, I waited 24 hours. That's what they said. Some of the silicones say an hour and a half. I just went ahead and did it for the whole 24 hours, put oil in it, ran it, no problems whatsoever. That fixes the problem with the mower. Again, in the description are the 2 leading brands of gasket silicone that will not fail you. It is a big hassle getting the silicone off the valve cover. One of the things that I finally did is I found this wire brush that I put on my drill, and it spins. And so I have a cordless drill, and I spun it, and I kind of went into the grooves, okay? I went all the way around, okay? No problem doing that, but when you're putting the valve cover back on, okay, the valves are held by these 2 pins. The valve cover actually holds those 2 pins in place. So you have to be really careful that you touch nothing other, okay, than the seal. You don't want to be touching the valves with that gooey stuff, okay? That's why you wait an hour. It's pouring rain now. I'm glad I finished, but it works perfectly, okay? My mower is not leaking, so I am very, very happy. Thanks, guys.